Hey folks, Tom DiGregorio, founder of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Today I want to talk about bowing foundation walls, in particular block wall construction. So if your basement or crawl space is built out of a block wall construction, then you really need to pay attention to this one. When a block wall is surrounded with a lot of water, that hydrostatic pressure builds up and pushes laterally against that wall, and it literally breaks it. And typically your first signs might be a tiny or a very narrow horizontal crack that you might just be able to stick a business card in. But what happens with increased pressure over time, that crack can open wider and then it can actually close based on the weather conditions. So if it's really rainy out for a period of time, that crack may open up. And then if it's really dry for a period of time, then it can close up, and that can give you a false sense of confidence. But much like a paper clip, that when you bend a few times, it ultimately snaps and breaks. And that's what can happen with your foundation wall if left unattended. And that's what we call total wall blowout. And that's where your concrete blocks are now sitting in your basement or your crawl space. So obviously you don't ever want to let it get to that point. So if you're concerned about any of these type of cracks in your foundation wall, please give us a call. We'll be happy to come out for a completely free inspection of your foundation wall and give you back your peace of mind.